Okay, so we're going to do a different process here for cleaning up this tune-o-matic bridge. It's really corroded. We're going to do a little reverse electrolysis. Glass dish full of salt water. A wire is wrapped around the tune-o-matic bridge, connected to the negative lead of my laboratory power supply, 12 volts, a couple of amps. And then the positive lead is attached to a piece of steel that's in there. So let's turn on the supply, and you can see right away stuff is happening. Now, this was really nasty, and we're pulling down some serious amperage here too. She's cooking, baby. So we're gonna let this sit for a couple of hours, and let's see how clean this tune-o-matic bridge is when we're all done. All right. Now let's take a look at the instrument it came off of. This is Tim's DOT 335. I just fixed the truss rod. I had to actually carve out the pocket with a Dremel because there was so much epoxy in there you couldn't adjust the truss rod. It was all I could do to get the nut off, clean the threads up, but that's fine now. And while that's cooking, I'm going to level these frets and go ahead and start dressing them. I've got to be careful with this one. I can't clean the body too well because there's a Pat Metheny signature under this piece of paper. It's a family heirloom, and I don't know Pat Metheny well enough to get him to sign this guitar again. So anyway, this is cooking mightily, and we'll see what happens. All right, bye for now.